So, dear students, today we will discuss about the methods of preparation of halogens. During the last classes, we have discussed about the method of preparation of haloalkane, and now we will discuss about the methods of preparation of haloarenes. How we can obtain the haloarenes by different methods. So, methods of preparation of haloarenes. Number one, from benzene by electrophilic substitution reaction. By electrophilic substitution reaction. Method of preparation of haloarene from benzene with the help of electrophilic substitution reaction. See, aromatic compounds like benzene always prefer to undergo electrophilic substitution reaction. And in this electrophilic substitution reaction, an electrophile is substituted in the benzene ring. Now, for this purpose, we have to generate an electrophile, and that electrophile generated will be substituted on the benzene ring. Here, if I want to get chlorobenzene, then I have to take Cl2 plus a halogen carrier AlCl3 anhydrous. This is called a halogen carrier. It's a Lewis acid, electron deficient species. So this chlorine react with anhydrous aluminum chloride in dark 300 to 310 Kelvin. Will get what? Cl plus AlCl4 minus. Okay. Now, when we have the benzene ring, benzene here. See, this benzene containing 3 pi bonds, and this is your electron rich pi bonds are there. Now, when I have Cl plus, it will be attack on this electrophile, and we will get what? Cl H plus. Okay. Now, what happened? It will be shift of this pi bond. We will get what? Cl H plus. Now then, this one, okay, we will get what? This one, Cl H plus. Now, This will come this place, and we have loss of proton. You get what? Cl. And now this AlCl4 minus O plus H plus O will get what? Your AlCl3 plus HCl. So what you can write? Benzene ring, benzene plus Cl2 AlCl3 anhydrous dark 300 to 310 Kelvin will get chlorobenzene plus HCl. This is your benzene, this is your chlorobenzene. So when benzene undergo halogenation with the chlorine in presence of anhydrous AlCl3, a halogen carrier, in dark condition, then one of the hydrogen atom of the benzene ring is substituted by the chlorine to give the chlorobenzene. Here Cl plus, this Cl plus is the electrophile, and we are doing this reaction in dark condition to avoid any kind of addition reaction. Okay, so when we will do this reaction in presence of light that may undergo addition across the pi bonds of the benzene ring, that's why we are doing this reaction in dark condition. Here the anhydrous AlCl3 is a Lewis acid. It acts as a halogen carrier and it helps to produce the Cl plus electrophile. Once the electrophile is produced, now this electrophile will be attacked by the pi bond of the benzene ring. Okay, so that we will get this resonating structure. So now this will undergo resonance. Okay, finally to give what? Your chlorobenzene. Okay, and then here there is a loss of proton to get the chlorobenzene. Now this proton and this AlCl4 minus will again produce the AlCl3 and HCl. So we have this chlorobenzene and HCl as the product we will get here. Similarly, we can get also bromobenzene. For getting bromobenzene, we can take bromine Br2, FeBr3. Okay. So if I do this one, bromine plus Br2 FeBr3 dark condition 300 to 310 Kelvin will get what? Bromobenzene plus HBr. Okay, so here we have bromobenzene and here we have the benzene. So we can get bromobenzene by treating benzene with the bromine in presence of FeBr3 in dark condition at 300 to 310 Kelvin. Okay. Same halogenation if we carry out by taking excess of halogens. For example, see if I am taking benzene plus Cl2 FeCl3 dark 300 to 310 Kelvin, I am getting what? I am getting chlorobenzene plus HCl. Okay, this is the electrophilic substitution reaction. Here chlorine is the Cl plus is the electrophile that is being substituted on the benzene ring. Now again, if you take this chlorobenzene now plus Cl2 again FeCl3 dark 300 to 310 Kelvin will get what? Cl plus Cl ortho dichlorobenzene and called what one? Para dichlorobenzene. So because the chlorine Cl group is an ortho para diating group, when chlorine atom is already present in the benzene ring, this chlorine will direct the incoming electrophile into the ortho and para position. So chlorobenzene undergo electrophilic substitution reaction to give ortho and para product. So what I can write? I can write chlorobenzene simply what I can write benzene plus Cl2 excess. So when you take the hydrogen in excess amount, you will get what? I take FeCl3 dark condition 300 to 310 Kelvin will get what? Ortho and para dichlorobenzene. With this one Cl and Cl also plus Cl and Cl. Okay, so benzene on halogenation with chlorine in the presence of halogen carrier like AlCl3 or FeCl3 in anhydrous condition gives chlorobenzene. But when the benzene undergo halogenation in excess amount of chlorine in presence of AlCl3, then we are getting a mixture of ortho dichloro and para dichlorobenzene. Similarly, if you take, you can get bromobenzene simply from the benzene by doing the same process, electrophilic substitution. Again, if you take excess of bromine, then also you will get what? Ortho and para dibromobenzene. Now, if we will do the same reaction, benzene, chlorine, excess in presence of sunlight. So here the benzene will undergo addition reaction. So we are not here. Now we are not having the halogen carrier here, and we are now doing this reaction in a light condition. So what happened? The pi bonds, if I take here the pi bonds, this pi bonds will break and it will undergo addition reaction to give what you HCl, 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 HCl. This is called what you? Benzene hexachloride. Benzene hexachloride or BHC. Commercially also called your Gamexon. It is also called what your Linden or 666 or Gamexon. Okay. So benzene, when read with the halogen excess in presence of sunlight, then we are getting what your benzene hexachloride. This is your electrophilic. So this is benzene when undergo halogenation in excess in presence of sunlight, then it undergo addition reaction to give what your benzene hexachloride. Okay, so benzene, halogen, then anhydrous AlCl3 halogen carrier, dark condition, electrophilic substitution will get haloarine. Benzene, halogen excessive, presence of light will get benzene hexachloride, addition product. Okay. Now, if I take toluene, CH3, toluene plus Cl2, AlCl3, dark condition 310 Kelvin. So here what happens? The Cl2 and AlCl3 again same will give what? Cl plus and AlCl4 minus. Now here CH3 group attached to benzene, and this CH3 group is an ortho-para-dieting group. So what will happen? We will get CH3 Cl plus CH3 Cl. We will have orthochlorotoluene and what do para-chlorotoluene. So this is also what your electrophilic substitution reaction. So here CH3 is an ortho-para-dieting group. So and Cl2 AlCl3 will give what? Same thing here you can write Cl2 plus AlCl3 give what? Cl plus AlCl4 minus. So this is the electrophile here. This is the electrophile here. This electrophile will undergo substitution. Okay. So toluene undergo electrophilic substitution reaction to give orthochlorotoluene and para-chlorotoluene. Similarly, also you can go for bromine. Okay, no problem. Now, if you can take toluene, chlorine, sunlight. Now here there is no electrophilic substitution reaction. Okay, we have taken here the toluene. Okay, chlorine with some sunlight. So what will happen here? We will get CH2Cl. HCl will remove. We will get what? CH2Cl, benzyl chloride. Is what one? Benzyl chloride. Benzene. Toluene. Again, if you give again Cl2, sunlight, HCl, you get what? CH2Cl2. Again Cl2, sunlight, minus HCl, you get what? CCl3. Okay, so main toluene treated with the halogens in presence of sunlight, then what? Substitution at the side chain takes place. We get CH2Cl, CaCl2, then CCl3. Okay, of toluene in presence of sunlight. Now we will discuss how we can obtain halogens from benzene diazonium chloride. From benzene diazonium chloride. Number 2, from benzene diazonium chloride. From benzene diazonium chloride, we can prepare halogens by Sandmeyer's reaction, also by Gattermann's reaction. First of all, what is your Sandmeyer's reaction? Sandmeyer's reaction. In Sandmeyer's reaction, benzene diazonium chloride is treated with copper halide, CuBr or CuCl, in presence of the corresponding hydrogen halide. That means CuBr in presence of HBr or CuCl in presence of HCl. Then the chlorobenzene or bromobenzene are formed. See, when you take your N2Cl called N2 plus Cl minus, this is called benzene diazonium chloride. Benzene diazonium chloride. So this can undergo if I take CuBr, HBr, or if I take CuCl, HCl. Okay, then this Cl of this CuCl will be substituted on this benzene ring. Okay, we will get what? Benzene ring Br plus N2. This Br is attached to this benzene ring. We are getting bromobenzene plus N2. Now this is Cl minus. Okay. Now this one what? Cl attached to this benzene. We are getting what? Cl plus N2. This is called bromobenzene. Bromobenzene is what? Chlorobenzene. So benzene diazoxide chloride when treated with copper halide CuBr or CuCl in presence of the corresponding hydrogen halide. Let me see CuBr, HBr, CuCl, HCl. Then the bromo and chlorobenzenes are obtained, and this is called what? Sandmeyer's reaction. And this benzene diazoxide chloride we can prepare from the benzene. Okay. From the benzene, if I take this is your benzene. Benzene undergo nitration, HNO3 concentrated and H2SO4 to concentrated. Hello? We get what? Nitrobenzene. Nitrobenzene undergo reduction SnHCl to give what? Aniline, and this aniline undergo diazotization. Means what? HONO. In presence of who? NaNO2 and HCl at 0 to 5 degrees centigrade. We will get what? N2Cl. So in this way we can prepare the benzene diazoxide chloride. Benzene diazoxide chloride from benzene. Now from this benzene diazoxide chloride we can prepare this bromo and chlorobenzene, and this reaction is called what? Sandmeyer's reaction. This formation of chloro and bromobenzene from BDC also we can do in a better way. Okay, by replacing this copper halide simply by the copper metal. This is called modified Sandmeyer's reaction or the Gattermann's reaction. By Gattermann reaction, or you can say the modified Sandmeyer's reaction. So in this case, so what we have done in Sandmeyer's reaction, benzene diazoxide chloride react with CuBr, HBr or CuCl, HCl. Here the copper halide can be replaced by the copper metal itself. Okay, so we can write benzene diazoxide chloride BDC, CuHCl or CuHBr. You get what? Chlorobenzene plus N2, and here bromobenzene plus N2 plus HCl. Okay, chlorobenzene, now bromobenzene. So in this way we can get chloro and bromobenzene from the BDC by taking copper metal in place of the hydrogen halide. Okay, like we have prepared chloro and bromobenzene from benzene diazoxide chloride with the help of a Sand-Marsh reaction or Getterman reaction. We can also prepare iodobenzene and fluorobenzene from BDC, but the process are different. We can obtain iodobenzene from benzene diazoxide chloride when you treat benzene diazoxide chloride with Ki. So when benzene diazoxide chloride is treated with Ki warm, then we are getting the iodobenzene plus N2 plus calcium. Iodobenzene is what your benzene diazoxide chloride. Similarly, we can get fluorobenzene from BDC. First of all, the benzene diazoxide chloride is treated with hydrogen fluoroborate. Okay, benzene diazoxide chloride plus HbF4. Okay, we'll get what? N2 BFO4 called benzene diazonium fluoroborate. You can heat, you get what your fluorobenzene plus N2 plus BF3. Okay, benzene diazoxide chloride, hydrogen fluoroborate, you get what your benzene diazonium fluoroborate, which when heated we are getting what your fluorobenzene. This is what your fluorobenzene. So we can get fluorobenzene and iodobenzene also from benzene diazonium chloride. From silver salt of carboxylic acid, Hans-Dicker reaction. Hans-Dicker reaction. Simply, so like we have prepared the haloalkanes, same process. In haloalkane, we have taken the silver salt of carboxylic acid. Here also we will do the same thing. Take COOAg, okay, silver benzoate plus if you take your Br2 in place of CCl4, we will get what? Bromobenzene plus CO2 plus HBr. Okay, so silver benzoate react with your bromine in place of CCl4 inert solvent, you get what? Bromobenzene, and this